Hey travelers, welcome to the channel where hidden gems, unforgettable eats, and off-the-map adventures come to life. If you love discovering the coolest places you've never heard of, you're in the right place. Okay, let's hit the road. Tucked away next to a runway in Chandler, Arizona, there's a place where your coffee comes with a side of airplane takeoffs. This isn't your average breakfast stop, this is the Hangar Café, a beloved local secret that blends sky-high views with hometown comfort food. If you're searching for unique restaurants in Arizona or hidden gems in Chandler, buckle up, because this spot is about to take flight. Located at Stellar Air Park, a private-use airport in Chandler, the Hangar Café has earned a legendary status among locals, pilots, and travelers alike. What makes it truly unique? You're dining just steps away from an active runway, where planes taxi by and lift off while you sip your coffee or dive into a sizzling plate of bacon and eggs. Fun fact, the building itself was once an actual airplane hangar. Yep, that is exactly right. Before it became a cafe, it housed small aircraft and maintenance equipment. Today, the aviation roots remain deeply ingrained in its atmosphere. But let's talk about the real star of the show, the food. The Hangar Café serves up classic American comfort food, and breakfast is the most popular ticket. Just think, massive pancakes, fluffy omelets, and breakfast burritos that weigh more than your carry-on. And their homemade green chili sauce? A local favorite that's not to be missed. If you're visiting for lunch, the Hangar Burger is a go-to, thick, juicy, and made fresh to order. And don't skip the fries. They're golden, crispy, and somehow always perfectly salted. Inside, the walls are decorated with aviation memorabilia, model planes, and vintage flight photos. It feels like stepping into an old-school pilot's lounge, but with more maple syrup and fewer flight manuals. You'll find retired Air Force vets swapping stories, pilots fueling up before takeoff, and families enjoying Sunday brunch with an unforgettable...
Hold it, take this! Sniper! Oh yeah, it's coming in. That might be the same one that just left. Mom, look! Can I outside and sit down? You can. What are they? Here's a mint.
Here's something most people don't know. The Stellar Air Park is one of the few remaining residential air parks in the US, meaning some people actually live with their planes just a few blocks from the cafe. They taxi from their homes straight to the runway. And yes, many of them make Hangar Café their first stop before a flight or road trip. Also, while it's open to the public, it's still a bit of a hidden treasure. Even some locals haven't discovered it yet. Whether you're an aviation geek, a breakfast lover, or just someone who enjoys off-the-beaten-path spots, the Hangar Café delivers a one-of-a-kind experience. It's where small-town charm meets the thrill of flight. And the food? Always worth the trip. So next time you're near Phoenix or Chandler, Arizona, punch in Hangar Café on your GPS. Bring your appetite, your camera, and maybe a pair of aviators. Love discovering local gems like this? Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next stop on our travel journey. Drop a comment if you've been to Hangar Café or tag a friend who needs to check it out. This is your captain speaking. Thanks for flying with us. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a stop on our journey. Got a place we should visit next? Drop it in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring 1 bite and 1 mile at a time.